4 P's of marketing: product, price, place, promotion. That could have been something else also. Why 4 P's only? Well, there is a reason behind it. Hey there, I am Nancy Shah. I am a trainer, public speaker, anchor, voiceover artist and founder of Speakers Circle. We started this initiative to help people develop their public speaking skills. We conduct our interventions online and now gradually offline, and you can also be part of it. All you need to do is fill up a Google form. You'll find the link of the form in the description. Well, in today's video, I'm going to give you a very helpful tip regarding using alliteration in your speeches. So let's get started. First of all, what is alliteration? Well, alliteration is a literary device, or also known as a figure of speech, where you're using the series of words which are starting with the same consonant sound. Too much technical, right? Don't worry, I'll explain it to you in the easiest manner possible. Let me give you one example. Democracy, demography, and demand are the greatest strength of India. When I say this, I could have said something else as well. Like, rather than demand, I would have used some other word, or rather than democracy, I would have used some other word. But why I have selected these words only? Because they all three are starting from a same consonant sound, that is D. And when you use the words in this manner, by using alliteration, you will make the message more meaningful. See, I just used alliteration here, make the message more meaningful. Sounds appealing, right? Still wondering what is it? Let me give you a few examples that we use in our day-to-day conversations. Tough talk, quick question, money matters, picture perfect, jumping jacks, no nonsense. Could you observe something? Well, we all use this. Let me highlight some of the brand names which are using alliterations. Coca-Cola, Dunkin' Donuts, Fantastic Four, Hip Hop, Best Buy, PayPal, Tata Tea, Dangedums, BlackBerry, Range Rover, Shoppers Stop, Cafe Coffee Day. Have you ever wondered why all these brand names seems more appealing to your mind? Well, it's very simple. They're using alliteration. Let me give you a few more examples where we are using alliteration in movies and cartoons as well. Bob the Builder, Mickey Mouse, Richie Rich, King Kong, Donald Duck. Not only into movies and cartoons, they are also used in regular phrases and idioms as well. Let me show you a few examples. Busy as a bee, dead as doornail, good as gold, home sweet home, last laugh, make a mountain out of a molehill, method to the madness. Could you observe that? So alliterations are there everywhere. In fact, if you have learnt or observed any tongue twisters, they are also using alliteration. Let me give you a couple of examples. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. She sells seashells at the seashore. Sounds interesting? Well, you can apply alliteration in your speeches, talks and writings as well. And let me tell you how you can use it. There are a few tips for that. Tip number 1. Write first, alliterate later. Why I'm saying this? You cannot come up with alliteration directly. Do not force your brain, okay? Write down whatever you want to say first in a normal, usual manner, whatever comes to your mind. And then try to alliterate the same thing and write it differently. Tip number 2, go to dictionary. They will provide you better options to use alliteration. So for example, if I want to say demand, I would go and search the synonyms and I look for the synonym which starts with a specific letter. And I of course need to ensure that the word that I am using is conveying the same meaning that I want. And the third and the last tip is do not overuse it, okay? You are not supposed to make your entire speech with alliterations, alliterations, and alliterations. You can have one or twice depending on your requirements, but not too much. Certain more examples for your practice. For our farmers, we must strengthen the F circle. From fertilizer to farm to food to fertilizer again. For the textile industry, I propose a policy of sheep to ship to shop to shape. More than that, the IPL team name Rajasthan Royals is also created by using alliteration. And at Speaker Circle, the Monday magical speech, the Wednesday word, the Friday funda, we are using alliteration here. It is not compulsory to use alliteration. But believe me, when you're trying to use it, if you're making an effort to use it, it will be communicated well and people would be able to remember it very easily. So try it out and I'm sure it would be helpful. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you could learn something out of it. Consider subscribing this YouTube channel. We will share further tips regarding public speaking regularly on every Tuesday on this channel. Apart from that, we go live every Thursday around 7:30 p.m. where we do different public speaking related activities and you can also be part of it. So see you there someday. Bye-bye.